Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Botox 200 IU injection. Coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Allergan India Private Ltd. Botox 200 IU injection. Uses. Botox 200 IU injection is used in the treatment of several conditions caused by abnormal muscle activity. It is prescribed for botulism, wrinkles, muscle spasms, cervical dystonia, squint, and localized muscle spasms. Benefits. In the treatment of localized muscle spasms, Botox 200 IU injection is used in adults to treat muscle spasms around the eyes, face, neck, arms, shoulders, and legs. It is also used in children aged 2 years or older with cerebral palsy to treat muscle spasms in the legs, helping improve walking. It can also effectively relieve muscle spasms in the arms of affected children. Botox works by stopping abnormal muscle contractions. It blocks the release of a chemical that normally allows communication between nerves and muscles, which causes muscles to contract. By reducing these spasms, it provides relief, improves movement, and enhances overall quality of life. This injection is always given by a doctor or nurse and should never be self-administered. Side effects. Like all medicines, Botox 200 IU injection may cause some side effects. These can include tiredness, muscle weakness, flu-like symptoms, and reactions at the injection site such as pain, swelling, or redness. If any side effect becomes severe or does not improve, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Botox 200 IU injection is administered only by a trained doctor or nurse. Patients should not self-administer this medicine under any circumstances. How it works. Botox 200 IU injection is a protein produced by a type of bacteria called Clostridium botulinum type A. It works by blocking the release of a chemical called acetylcholine, which normally causes muscles to contract. By stopping this signal, Botox temporarily weakens nerve activity in the muscles and reduces abnormal muscle contractions.